If you're watching right now na hindi mo pa alam to, hindi mo pa napapanood to, well, just stay tuned and just watch. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to make your voice sounds Is that clear? My name is Brian Dime, and today's episode, we're going to talk about how to make your voice sounds better. In Premiere Pro, in Adobe Audition, in Adobe Audition, Adobe. Ganito mo para makita ko. And Adobe. Hi guys. Okay, so in this episode, I'm going to teach you how to make your voice sounds better in Premiere Pro and in Adobe Audition. So kung may Adobe Audition ka, just start or fire up your Adobe Audition. Pwede mo rin itong gawin sa Audacity. Halos pareho lang sila ng sistema kung paano gawin. Pero dahil lang meron lang ako Adobe Audition, sa Adobe Audition ko siya gagawin. So why is it so important that you have a good or better audio? Because a good video needs a better audio. Good video needs a better audio. A better audio will tell the viewers a better story. So kinakailangan mo talaga ng magandang audio or maayos na audio sa video. Sometimes di bali ng overexpose, sometimes di bali ng manoy, sometimes di bali ng underexpose ang video mo, but never mess up with your audio. Kapag ka ang audio mo sa video mo ay pangit, skip. I don't want to waste my time watching that scratchy audio that you have in your audio. So in this episode, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your voice sounds better in your video. If you are vlogging, if you're doing your job, if you have a project na nag-i-interview ka, how to make their voice or your voice better. This simple technique na i-share ko sa inyo is popular na, kilala na, alam na ng iba. But if you're watching right now na hindi mo pa alam to, hindi mo pa napapanood to, well, just stay tuned and just watch. Okay, before we jump sa Premiere Pro and sa Adobe Audition, the question is this: what happened? Hey Brian, what happened to your Creative Wednesday? Okay, so for now, Creative Wednesday has to say goodbye. Creative Wednesday temporarily has to say goodbye kasi I have so much creativity na parang gusto kong gawin, gusto kong mag-video, gusto kong mag-shoot, and meron akong style na isip, shoot, edit, post. Isip, shoot, edit, post, no? Yun yung ginagawa ko madalas. So kunyari nakaisip ako ng topic, nakaisip ako ng creativity, nakaisip ako ng gustong ituro para sa araw na to. Gagawin ko is shoot, edit, and post. So kung Creative Wednesday yun, I need to wait until Wednesday to post that video. And as a baby dito sa YouTube, gusto ko sana na kapag may naisip ako, gusto kong gawin, na shoot ko na edit ko na, gusto ko nang i-post, I want to post it right now. So ipopost ko na kahit anong araw pa yan. Kaya mapapansin nyo, yung Creative Wednesday natin has to say goodbye for now. Pinalitan natin siya ng Creative Day. Creative Day, lagi siya magpa-pop up anumang araw sa channel natin. In this Brian Dime channel, laging may lalabas or palaging may lalabas na Creative Day, which is basic tutorial, basic teaching about camera, about editing, about photos, about something creative related na mga bagay. So alam ko pagpasok ng 2019 nagpalit tayo ng intro, pero ngayon palitan muna natin siya ng mas simple, kagaya ng sabi ng kapatid ko, simplicity is beauty. So mas mabilis, mas straight to the point. Creative Day, subscribe, and pasok tutorial. That's it. So kung mapapansin nyo, kaya bago na naman tayong intro. So I hope you guys understand that Creative Wednesday has to say goodbye for now, and hello Creative Day. Okay, so for this tutorial, meron akong niready ditong video. Hi YouTubers! Welcome YouTubers! Speakers and training for the aspiring YouTubers. Okay, so how to make that audio like this. Hi YouTubers! Welcome YouTubers! Speakers and training for the aspiring YouTubers. Ito yung kanina. Hi YouTubers! Welcome YouTubers! Speakers and training for the aspiring YouTubers. Ito yung edited. Hi YouTubers! Welcome YouTubers! Speakers and training for the more crispy, more detail, more bass. Yan yung pag-aaralan or ituturo, isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon. Okay, for this tutorial, mayroon ako nireading video dito na may audio na galing sa BYMM1, which is andito ngayon. Kung mapapansin niyo, whoop, this is my audio straight to the camera BYMM1. So hindi ako gumamit ngayon ng external audio or ng ginagamit natin na Zoom H1. Ang gamit ko lang ngayon is BYMM1 para to sa mga aspiring or sa mga nagsisimula pa lang na YouTuber na wala pang ganong gears, wala pang Zoom H1. Ang gamit lang nila ngayon is external or shotgun mic na nakalagay sa mic nila. Ngayon, paano mo ito magiging mas mukhang pro? Paano magiging yung voice mo or sounds na binibigay nito is mas high quality? So let's jump into tutorial. Pasok tayo ngayon sa Premiere. Pag nasa Premiere ka na, ito yung niready kong video. Hi YouTubers! Welcome YouTubers! Speakers and training for the aspiring YouTubers. Alright, yan yung unedited. So hindi pa okay. Straight out of the camera, yung audio na naririnig nyo dyan. Ito naman yung edited. Hi YouTubers! Welcome YouTubers! Speakers and training for the aspiring YouTubers. How crispy, how detailed and yung bass na binibigay niya, mas crispy, mas detailed yung boses. So how to achieve that voice? Ganito lang gagawin natin. Okay, right click, edit clip in Adobe Audition, dadalhin ka niya sa Adobe Audition. Okay, yung audio na naririnig nyo ba yung parang may nagga-grind? Sorry guys, because I'm just recording in a crowded place. So may nag-grind doon, may nagpupukpok doon, may nagsasalita sa labas. Now, ganito talaga, kaya ganito na lang kaimportante na nililinis at inaayos natin yung audio natin. Okay. Diba may sumisigaw pa na ganun. Alright. Hi YouTubers! Okay. So, ang gagawin mo lang is make or hanapin mo yung point na kung saan merong ingay. Okay? Yung hindi ka nagsasalita, yung wala pang boses, yung clear lang, yung kaya napaka-importante nito bago ka magsalita o bago ka mag-record or bago ka magsalita sa yung vlog, press record and just stay. Para ma-record niya muna yung ambient sounds. Para mas madali mo siyang ma-capture. So, ang gagawin mo lang is i-highlights mo lang. I-highlights mo lang yan. After mong ma-highlights, effects, and noise reduction, captured. Captured that noise. So, pwede ring Shift P. Pag nakuha mo siya, capture that noise, i-highlights mo lang lahat, which is Control A, and back ulit dito, effects, noise reduction, process, Control Shift P. Yun yung shortcut niya. So, dadalhin ka niya dito. Okay, ito yung nagbabawas or naglilinis ng mga kapiraso or ingay na meron ka sa audio mo. So, ang mangyayari dyan is, papilinin mo yan. Hi YouTubers! Welcome YouTubers! The more na ilalagay mo siya sa left or right, kung paano mo lalaroin ito, speakers and ganun siya nalilinisan, ganun siya mas nagiging detailed, ganun siya mas nawawala yung background noise, depende sa kung gaano kaingay yung meron ka sa background mo. And kapag nasobrahan ka naman ng gawa or nasobrahan ka naman ng lagay, nasobrahan ka ng gamit sa tools na to, nagiging mas galing sa lata yung tunog ng audio mo. So you have to really be careful kung paano mo siya gagamitin. Maraming trial and error na gagawin mo dito para makuha mo yung audio, yung tamang timpla na para sa video audio mo. So ito sa akin, sabihin natin ilagay lang natin siya about 75 and 10 for the aspiring YouTubers. Okay, and hit apply. After that, next gagawin natin, punta tayo dito sa favorite, de-esser. Hit de-esser. Is a one click up na, one click lang yung effects na yun. So pag click mo yung de-esser, aalisin niya yung S, tsaka yung T, yung SS, yung sa dulo. So, lilinisin niya yun, compress niya yun. And after that, ang gagawin ko is, balik ako sa effects, and filter and equalizer, parameter equalizer. So, punta ako sa parameter equalizer. So, dadaling kanya sa ganitong setup. Pag nandito ka na, itong R na to, the more, I'll play natin.
Hi YouTubers! Welcome YouTubers!
The more na tinataas mo to,
speakers and training for the
more bass na meron ka.
Hi
Sa naman
YouTubers!
kabila,
Welcome
the more na
YouTubers!
tinataas mo,
Speakers and
the
training
more
for the
detailed.
aspiring.
The more na tinataas mo yung right side, the more detail na meron ka. Yung left side, the more bass na meron ka. So, ikaw nang bahala, paano mo siya lalaruin, ano yung timpla na gusto mo.
Aspiring YouTubers. Hi YouTubers! Welcome!
Alright, so ano yung timpla na gusto mo para sa boses o para sa gusto mong ma-achieve na voice. Ikaw pa rin magde-decide nun. And hit apply. And after that, ang gagawin mo is punta ka sa favorite and normalize negative 0.1 decibels.
Training for the aspiring YouTubers. Hi YouTubers! Welcome YouTubers! Speakers and
Alright, and hit S. Control and hit Control S. At kapag ka na-Control S mo na siya, you have something like this.
Hi YouTubers! Welcome YouTubers! Speakers and training for the aspiring YouTubers.
Mas clean, mas malinis, mas better audio. You can use this, you can do this in your interview, in your project, in your job, sa mga vlogs mo, pwede mo siyang gawin. And as simply as that, malilinis mo yung iyong video or yung iyong audio quality ng video na ginagawa mo. At mas masarap pakinggan, mas masarap panoorin kapag may mas maganda kang audio quality na binibigay. And yes guys, that's it for today. Sana nakatulong sa inyo to para sa inyong future project, future interview, future vlogs, sa mga gusto mong gawing video in the future. Sana makatulong sa ito kung paano mo lilinisin ang inyong audio and how to make your voice sounds better in the future. And yes guys, if you like this video, hit like, share, and subscribe kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, and hit the bell para pa yung bagong video malalaman mo agad. Thank you guys, hope you like this video, and see you next clip. Sasabi ko pa sa inyo na lahat ng ginawa nyong process na yon is pwede mong isave para sa next video na i-edit mo, i-click mo na lang siya. So ganito siya gawin. Punta ka lang sa favorites at bago mo gawin o i-apply lahat ng effects, hit this red record button. Pag na-record mo na yan, lagay mo na yung iyong
gawin mo na yung mga effects na kailangan mo gawin, like that, and hit shift P, and okay, and favorites, the other, okay, and effects, equalizer, and okay.
After that, hit stop and rename this Voice Sound Better 2019. Okay. Para the next time, nandito siya sa may favorite, Voice Sounds Better is saved. Para may edit ka, kiklik mo na lang siya. Thank you guys. Hope you like this short but very, very, very helpful video. So guys, thanks. See you soon.
How to make your voice audio sound
Right. How to make your voice sound. To make a great day. My name is Brian. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to make your voice sounds better.